The first to go with a burnout, Corey Mack. Barely rolling those good. Jack Wyatt in the Nhrda main event. You can see the 80% nitromethane cackling, warbling, billowing out of the zoomies as Corey Mack building. Boom, giggity boom, going through the traps at 303-mile-an-hour. Corey Mack. I wanted to see 3 bills, and we got it done. Semi-final round, 4.10 seconds in 1,000 feet at 303 per. Give a big round of applause to Corey Mack.
Horsepower on this, we're hoping it's about 550 horse. I really have no idea. We haven't run on a dyno. It's just a program that Strictly Diesel had, and they wrote for it specifically for this engine, and we're going to data log it and see what it runs.
All right, brother, where can everybody find you at, man, and what's the name of the car?
It's a turbo auto diesel, Strictly Diesel Mustang, and I'm at the scoreboard.
Sweet, brother.
Ride from Phoenix. This is a diesel class. My apologies to the Chevelle. I didn't look under the hood, didn't see any black smoke, and I assume, you know what that does. Dennis Schroeder gonna go to the top side with a wind light over Chaz Leitner, so that's gonna end the Leitner's day of racing here in this 1090 class. Husky, 1334 with a 3 in the 1090 class. Not gonna like that too very well with a 5:01 reaction time. So Nate McCluskey, he got a little work to do. And his second qualifier coming up. Emily Muller. Here we go. Emily's going to be out there in Super Diesel and the 1090 class. Going to 1190 and the 1090 index class. Emily Muller. Every time she pulls to the track, Hot Shot Secret is putting $50 into the Save the Racks coffers. And then if she gets into the finals today, runner-up, she gets $250. $500 to win from Hot Shot Secret. And all proceeds going to Save the Racks, breast cancer awareness and research. Emily Muller, Saving the Racks, the 04 Dodge out of Roscoe, Texas, in the 1090 class. And the chick goes 1088 with a 7. She was one of the only ones in NHRDA history to ever have a sled pull national event win and a drag racing national event win in the same weekend, and she's trying to do it again here in 2018. Very highly contested class as we've got some big hitters. Tyler Kemp from Starsbury, Vermont. From Vermont, you heard that correctly. Coming all the way from the top right-hand side of the country here to Arizona, Tyler Kemp in the 94 Dodge, and Trevor Peterson from Bluffdale, Utah. Going to be spooling up here in the Rowdy Racks left-hand side of the racetrack. Industrial Injection is helping out the right lane of Tyler Kemp as he comes up. The Randy's Transmission entry of Trevor Peterson from Bluffdale, Utah. You can see the nitrous bottles ready to pump a little bit of Go Fast Goody into the turbo. Really ratchet it up. Go get it, and then down to the fours. Well, pulls out the tires to Tyler Kemp, then gets sideways, blows the chute. Things went to hell in a handbasket in a hurry for Tyler Kemp. That dude had his hands full. And look at Trevor Peterson. He's just going to go for a nice little run up the track. 793 to 82 per. Tyler Kemp, pull to the lane, pull to the corner, please. Tyler, just go to the wall.
Oh, shit, he's leaking everywhere.
Tyler Kemp with the parachute out, and the recovery crew going to chase him. It looks like he's leaving. Ick on the racetrack.
Your sweet ride right here, brother.
My name is Bob. I work for Industrial Injection. This is our drag truck. It's 5,300 pounds, about 2,000 horsepower today, probably. Triple turbo, 6.4 Shredder Series. Cummins in a Chevrolet body.
Yep.
Currently world record holder, Super Street, and plan on backing that up today again. So we'll just got back from Florida. You know, learned a lot down there about suspension and stuff like that. So we're gonna put it to the test.
I like
today.
how everything's chromed out, man. This thing is blinging, bro.
Yeah,
Looks good.
Plenty of chrome, plenty of turbos.